I will explain about square of a given number using Keil Microvision IDE. In that is LPC2148. For that, we need to have the Keil software Microvision. So just download and install that. Then click on that is Keil Microvision, and after this go to projects, new Microvision project, and here we need to give the name and create one folder. Here before that create one folder, and in that we need to give any name, that is Sqare, and we'll get like this. In that we are doing on that is NXP LPC2148. click on LPC2148, click on OK, and yes. Then go to file. Here we need to open new file because we need to write the code here. So this is the code for that. Unsigned, that is integer table from 1 to 100. For means 2 square, 4 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, like that. From 1 to 100 will get. That is number I am giving here. The required number, that is 2. And the square we need to get from the table will get here. And observe that the square in watch window, the result should be will get in watch window. Then we need to go for here save option is there. Click on OK. Then square, what you have saved, same name need to give, square in the form of .c file. .c we need to add and then save it. And now saved. Again go for source and click on this and add files to be the source group. Sqare .c we need to add and then close it. So now it is added. Then we need to go for build target. We need to check the program build target. So here you can see this, there is no 0 errors and 0 warnings. If any errors are there, we'll get it here. So then now we can go for the debug option and click on top side, that is debug is there, start or stop debug session, and click on OK. We'll get watch window here. You can see this in the down side right side, and watch window is there. Click on watch window, we'll get it option like this, but double click on this and whatever you have given in the watch window, square, SQUARE, square. So click on enter, but here it is showing 0 0. So for that go to debug again and run option is there, F5, click on that, we'll get the required answer. So input is 2 and here you are getting this is the answer, required square for the given number. Like this we can execute easily by using Keil Microvision IDE. Thank you.